So part 2 tayo dito with KitBiz, and this time may tatry tayong lens. And this is a wide and macro lens na pwede mong i-attach sa camera mo. At ang nagustuhan ko dito, actually na-unbox ko na to. So akala mo isang lens lang yan, pero dalawa yan. Ayan, so we have here a wide lens at isang macro lens. To make this work, kailangan silang magkasama. So hindi mo ma-attach tong lens filter na to with this alone dito sa body ng KitBiz natin. So para mag-work itong wide lens, kailangan magkadikit sila ng macro. Unsatisfying lang yung gawin. And by the way, this is full metal. Kaya actually na-appreciate ko dahil so far ito kasi full plastic. But with this lens na included ng KitBiz, full metal siya, kaya garantisadong maganda yung quality. Yan. So, kailangan mo lang siyang paikutin sa lens and there you have it. So, tingnan natin yung sample photos na magagawa natin with this wide lens. And lalagyan ko siya ng comparison with the regular lens at yung wide lens ng KitBiz. And that's it. If interested kayong makita naman yung sample shots nitong macro lens natin, comment kayo sa baba at try natin kung magagawa natin ng video.